What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's to everybody. I hope everybody is enjoying the New Year's. I know the holidays are over. Everybody's getting back into the flow. Today's video is going to be about what is in my wallet. I know a couple days ago in my community post, I asked a lot of you what were in your wallet, and a lot of you gave me some really great feedback. I see a lot of Amex Gold, a lot of Chase. So I see a lot of those. And then I also see some like credit unions and things of that nature, which is really awesome and really smart of everybody. So thanks for always for the engagement. Again, today's video, what's in your wallet? I want to know what's in your wallet starting off the new year as far as credit cards to get these rewards and perks. Let's get right into the video. All right, so the first card and the card that is most useful is going to be Chase Freedom. Chase Freedom is the first thing in my wallet. The reason it's in my wallet right now, Q1 for the Chase Freedom, this is the card that gives you 5 points per dollar on rotating categories. It changes 4 times a year. There are 4 quarters in every year. So in January, Q1, 5 points on tolls, drugstores, and gas. Okay, so when you're going, toll, you can do that, get 5 points per dollar. Stores, drugstores, when it comes to, buying prescriptions, maybe just buying a snack or something, you can really benefit though when you're going into these stores. Some are saying Amazon gift cards. So certain gift cards that you may buy at that store, 5 points per dollar if you do it with the Chase Freedom card. So that's the first card in my wallet. The second card, the Amex Gold card in the rose gold colorway. Now you can unfortunately no longer apply for this color, but you can still apply for the Amex Gold card in my description below. This is a really good card. When it comes to American Express, January is Christmas for American Express. $200 or $100 depending on which card you have. So with this card, $100 per year on airline credits. Now you have to pick your airline that you want. I've chosen American Airlines, and I got back $100 already. So I've already given my money back. So I've been doing gift cards. I did them in $50 increments on the Amex Gold card. So that's one of the benefits. Second one is the $120 dining credit that started a couple months ago for Grubhub, Seamless, Cheesecake Factory. Very similar to the Uber Eats categories on the Amex Platinum card. So that is why I got this one in my wallet right now. And then I have my favorite card, I believe, my favorite luxury travel perk card of all time so far, Amex Platinum. Amex Platinum, same thing as the rose gold, just a lot more benefits and perks. You got, all your hotel statuses. I keep this around. When you're going to different places, like if you fly on Delta, you get Delta Sky Lounge access, which is pretty good. It's complimentary. All you got to do is have your card, so they have to swipe it, so you have to have it with you. Some Priority Pass places may want to see your Priority Pass card, which gives you this. TSA pre-check every 5 years / global entry credit. $200 in airline credits. So again, I did American Airlines again with the Amex Platinum card in increments of 100. So far this year, I've already gotten back $300 in gift cards for both of these cards, which I will use this year to travel, right? So you can't beat that. You also get $200 in Uber credits, which you can use for Uber Eats, or you can use for Uber. So $15 each month from January to November. And then in December, you get $35. That gives you $200 every year. And then you also, probably a really good benefit, they just keep adding perks and perks and perks. You get Saks Fifth Avenue credit, $50 each year. So $100 each year. So from January to June, 50, and then July to December, 50. So I'm going to show you a video. I got some Pumas. I got these Pumas for about $65. Amex Platinum gives you complimentary Shop Runner 2-day shipping. So shipping was free, was $65. But then if you sign up under a new email address on Saks Fifth Avenue's website, they give you 10% off. So that $65 came up to about $58.50. Minus that $50 credit, I paid $8.50 for these pairs of shoes. Some really nice casual shoes too. You know, so you can't beat that. $8.50 for a pair of Pumas. Okay, that's really awesome. So these are the 3 cards I have in my wallet. Obviously, I have my bank card. Right now, I'm at a hotel, a Marriott hotel. So my Marriott hotel room card. I'm going to show you a video of the room too. This is another benefit of having the Amex Platinum card. I brought this room. It was $60. Okay, I got it on a steal. It was late at night. $60 just around shopping online. That was for the base room. Okay, but because I have gold elite status, depending with Marriott, gold elite status can be very picky and choosy now with Marriott. But they upgraded me to a suite. So $60 for this room. You really cannot beat that at all. Again, guys, this is the perk of having the Amex Platinum card. Again, I'm not sponsored by them, but probably one of my favorite cards ever is the Platinum card. So many perks, definitely worth $550. For everybody who's applying for the card underneath my name, giving me the 15,000 referral points, I really appreciate it. Feel free to apply. Also, guys, feel free to drop your referral link down as well. We all can win together. So yeah, guys, let me know what's in your wallet. Again, thanks everybody on the community post for you know, giving me your information before I put the video out. I hope everybody has a great week. I'll see you soon.